Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear students? I am Muhammad Arshad. Today we are doing O-level mathematics D3 Unit 4 Exercise 4A. Before starting our lecture, I am giving you a message that subscribe my channel Read with Arshad. Also like, comment and share this video so that it can reach to so many students. Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question 5. Simplify each of the following. B part given is that minus M7 N3 multiply by 4 M11 N9. First of all, we combined same basis minus M7 M11 N3 N9 and the constant number on left hand side at first minus 4 M7 M11 N3 N9. So when bases are same, then their exponents can be subtracted or added. Minus 4 M7 plus 11 N3 plus 9. Minus 4 M 11 plus 7 18 N power 9 plus 3 12. That is answer. Now we are started part F, question number 5. Given is that minus 10x5 by 6 divided by minus 2x by 3. We can write it minus 10x5 by 6 over minus 2 x by 3. Now we combine same powers. Minus 10 x5 x power minus 1 y 6 y power minus 3. Minus 10 by minus 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 5 10. 5 x power 5 minus 1 y power 6 minus 3. 5 x power 4 y power 3. That is answer. Now we have to start question number 6. Given is that part A square power 3 multiply by a power 5. So a 3 to the 6 multiply by a power 5 equal to a power 6 plus 5 because bases are same so that their powers can be added. A power 11. That is answer. Understand, students? Now we are starting part F. 4 F6 whole power 3 divided by minus 2 F3 whole power 3. Four power 3 F power 6 multiply by 3 18 over minus 2 power 3 F power 339. 4 power 3, 4 4 16, 16 4 64 divided by minus 2 power 3, 2 to 4, 4 to 8 minus 8, f power 18 multiply by f power minus 9. 8 1 the 8, 8 8 64 minus 8 f power 18 minus 9 minus 8 f power 18 minus 9 9. That is answer. Now question 7 part A. Given ab square whole power 3 multiply by 2a square b whole power 3. First of all, a power 3, b power 2 whole power 3, 2 3 the 6 multiply by 2 power 3, a square multiply by 3, a power 6, b power 1 multiply by 3, b power 3. Now we have to combine same bases with each other. A3, A6, B6, B3 and constant number 2 power 3 is at left. 2 power 3, 2 to 4, 4 to 8. A power 3 plus 6, b power 6 plus 3. Powers are added. 8, a power 6 plus 3, 9, b power 6 plus 3, 9. That is answer. Now D part, question number 7. Given is that 16 g power 8 h power 7 divided by minus 2 g3 h square whole power 3. First of all, it can be written as 16 g power 8 h power 7 divided by minus 2 g power 3 h square whole power 3. Also 16 g power 8 h power 7 over minus 2 power 3 g power 3 multiply by 3 h power 2 multiply by 3 equal to 16 g power 8 h power 7 over minus 2 whole power 3, minus 2 multiply by minus 2 multiply by minus 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8 equal to minus 8, g power 3 3 9, h power 3 to 6. Now 8 1 the 8, 8 to 16 minus 2 g power 8 g power minus 9. We can combine same bases with each other. G power 8 g power minus 9, sign will be changed. H power 7 h power minus 6 equal to minus 2 g power 8 minus 9 h power 7 minus 6 minus 2 g power minus 1 h power 7 minus 6 minus 1, 7 minus 6 plus 1. So it can be written as minus 2 h over g, sign of g will be changed because we have take reciprocal of it. Question number 8, part A, 2a square over b multiplied by a over b square whole square. We have to combine same basis, 2a square over b multiplied by a square over b square whole square, b4. Now we have to combine 2a square multiplied by a square over b multiplied by b4 equal to 2a square multiplied by a square over b multiplied by b4 equal to 2a power 2 plus 2 over b power 1 plus 4 equal to 2a power 4 over b power 5. That is answer. Understand, students? Last question of this exercise, question number 9, part T. Given is that 4x square y4 multiplied by 8x power 4 y square over 4x square y square whole square equal to 4 multiplied by 8 x square x4 y4 y square over 4 square 16 x square x power x square whole square 2 multiplied by 2 x power 4 y power 2 whole square 2 to 4 y power 4 equal to 8 4 the 32 x square x4 y4 y square over 16 x4 y4 equal to 16 1 the 16 16 to 32 2 x4 will be cancelled with x4 y4 with y4, so 2x square y square. That is answer. That is the end of exercise. Tomorrow we will start exercise 4b. Thank you.